Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about feature selection using L1 regularization in Python. I know there are many techniques, but today we will be going to learn about L1 regularization. Especially we will be using in this video scikit-learn, a popular machine learning library, to demonstrate how L1 regularization can help us selecting important features from a dataset. So let's dive in. First of all, as you can see, we are importing the libraries, which is essential in this video. So let's import these things first. So after we import this library, so first step is we need to load a dataset. For this example, we will be using the diabetes dataset, which is already available in scikit-learn. Let's load the dataset. So after loading the data set, we will be storing the input feature in a variable called x and the output feature in a variable called y. Okay, so after we store this, we need to initialize our lasso model with L1 regulation. So this lasso model is linear regression models that applies L1 regularization, which adds a penalty term to encourage the sparsity in the coefficient. We set the alpha here to 0.01. So more the alpha, more the regulation, less the alpha, less the regulation. So after we initialize this, so next step is we then fit the lasso model to our data using the fit method. These steps actually calculate the coefficient of each features in the dataset. So after we got it, we fit it. So once the model is trained, we can now extract the coefficient of the features using the co features that is as a part that is as available as a part of lasso. So we will store it in the coefficient using the lasso.cof underscore. Okay, this coefficient represent actually the importance of each features. So we can just get the feature names and we can just map it to the each coefficient. So now with the help of actually the matplotlib, we can plot these features as a graph and we can see if these features are actually important or not, or maybe which features is important. If it is close to 0, then it's not more important, but if it is having a larger value, then it's important. So you can get your data set and get these L1 regulation on that and get a feature importance to your features. Okay, so I hope you found this thing as uh, helpful to you. So after, let's say we I wrote this thing, now I will show you which feature is more important and which is not. So I hope you enjoyed this thing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.